Top 5 low-cost business ideas for beginners. What if I told you that $10,000 could be the difference between staying stuck and stepping into the life you know you're meant to live? Not a lottery ticket, not crypto luck, but a plan. A real step-by-step system that's already changed lives for thousands of 18 to 30-year-olds just like you. No side hustle required. But here's the catch. Most people think they're broke because they don't earn enough. Truth is, they're broke because they don't know what to do with the money they already have. In the next 10 minutes, I'm handing you a blueprint, not just to save $10,000 in 1 year, but to unlock a wealthy mindset. But fair warning, some of what you'll hear may sting a little, because real change isn't comfortable, but it's always worth it. Let's dive in. Part 1. Set a $10,000 target with a deadline. First, let's make it real. Saving money without a clear number is like trying to win a race without knowing where the finish line is. You'll burn out fast. So here's what we do. Goal: save $10,000 in 12 months. That's about $834 per month, or $28 a day. Wait, $28 a day? That's just not buying a $7 iced coffee 4 times a day, right? Unless you're legally required to live inside a Starbucks, then we might have a problem. Here's the psychology behind it. When your brain sees a clear goal, it starts rewiring how you think, spend, and act. You're no longer cutting back, you're leveling up. So take 5 minutes after this video, write $10,000 on a sticky note, and post it somewhere. You'll see it daily. Yes, seriously, that's your first win. Now, here's how we actually make it happen. Part 2, track every dollar. You can't save what you don't see. Let me ask you something. Do you actually know where your money goes each month? Spoiler alert, if your answer was kind of, mostly, or you don't. This is where 90% of people fail. They treat money like a mystery when in reality it's just math plus behavior. Step 2, track every dollar. Use apps like Rocket Money, YNAB, or Good Budget. Create 3 categories: essentials, lifestyle, and growth. Review your past 3 months. You'll be shocked at how much leaks out on autopilot. Warning, this may cause emotional discomfort. Side effects include shame, regret, and spontaneous budget planning. But that's good. That discomfort, that's fuel. Because every dollar you uncover is a dollar you redirect toward your $10,000 goal. Up next, the single mindset shift that will double your savings without feeling like punishment. Part 3. Adopt the pay yourself first mentality. Imagine this. Every paycheck you get, 20% disappears instantly. And no, it's not the IRS, it's your future self stealing it. This is the mindset of the wealthy. They pay themselves first, before bills, before rent, before Chipotle shows up on your doorstep for the 3rd time this week. Set up automatic transfers the day you get paid. 20% to a high-yield savings account, like Ally or Capital One 360. Label it 10K Freedom Fund, not just savings, because names matter. Question: if your money had a purpose, would you still spend it like it doesn't matter? You won't miss money you never see, and soon you'll feel something shift, not just in your bank account, but in your identity. And speaking of identity, let's talk about who you'll have to become to reach that $10,000. Part 4, cut mercilessly, spend deliberately. Narrator: this is where things get real. Saving $10,000 isn't just about what you do. It's about what you're willing to stop doing. You need to become someone who cuts mercilessly on things that don't matter, so you can spend boldly on things that do. Cancel subscriptions you forgot existed. Downgrade your phone plan. Shop groceries with a list and a mission. Say no to that $18 bottomless mimosa brunch. Sometimes, because what's more satisfying than bottomless brunch? Watching your savings account hit 5 figures, with avocado toast in hand, at home. But don't just cut randomly. Spend on what brings true ROI. Books, courses, a gym membership, networking events. Every dollar you save is buying you options. And the most powerful people in the world? They trade comfort for options every single time. Let's tie this all together with the key that makes it sustainable. Part 5. Build habits that stick. Narrator, motivation fades, habits win. So how do you stick to this plan when life happens? Simple. Automate the hard stuff, reward the good stuff. Use weekly money check-ins, monthly no-spend challenges, a visual tracker like a savings thermometer to gamify progress. Celebrate your wins. Saved $500 this month? Treat yourself. Just don't blow $499 of it. Think of it like a video game. You're unlocking levels of freedom. Level 1, emergency fund. Level 5, investment portfolio. Level 10, fire mode activated. Your habits are the engine. Your goal is the GPS. And discipline, that's your fuel. But what if, even after doing all this, you still feel stuck? That's where most give up. But not you. You didn't just come here for money, you came here for freedom. And $10,000? That's not just a number, it's your first taste of what's possible. If you can save this much, you can invest. If you can invest, you can build wealth. And if you can build wealth, you can own your life. So here's your final challenge. Go back through this video. Pick one action from today and start right now before this becomes just another motivational video, because the clock's ticking, not on the economy, not on your paycheck, but on your potential. So, what's it going to be? Comfort today or freedom tomorrow? Subscribe if you're ready to rewrite your money story, because this is just the beginning. Save the 10K, change your life, build the future.